There you have it. Look at that. 3 high quality luxury sweet mincemeat, ready for mince pies or anything like that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making sweet mincemeat for mince pies. It's a simple recipe. You know, I've already sterilised the jars and we're going to crack on and make this. All it is, chuck everything in a pan, stir it all up, 30 minutes. In. Get some butter in there. We want some butter in. We are going to make it a little bit boozy this, but you don't put the booze in until after you've cooked it. And I can tell you right now, you cannot buy anything of this quality. This is the only chance you get to do is make it yourself. In with some lemon zest and lemon juice. It's a so simple recipe that everything goes in this pan. And we don't even have to be careful. We just chuck it all in. In with some sugar. In it goes. In with some cranberries. Now cranberries are optional, but I'm having them in here because I have some. In with some chopped almonds. And the secret ingredient to all of this, which is no secret, you actually need some mixed spice. And you want about a teaspoon of mixed spice. Get the flame on, low and slow. We cook this, we dissolve the sugar into the butters, into the fruit. We cook it for about 30 minutes. So just give it a little mix in there. Flame not too high, watch your flame. You know the sugars are going to melt and the butter's going to melt in there as well. It's getting to be a lot like Christmas. That's why that's why I cook, I don't sing. Oh, the smell. Oh, that's what we like. So nice and steady with the flame. You know, I've sterilised 3 jars, but I think there's only about 2 jars here. But not to worry. Cook this nice and low and slow. I can't emphasize that any more than that, to be honest. I mean, come on. That already looks better than store-bought. And the smell in here is unbelievable. All that candied peel releasing all that citrus into the air with that fruit, you know. And then we're going to chuck a load of booze in here when it goes cold. Now what happens is, we cook this off, so it's cooked, the butter's in there with everything like that, and it plumps up a little bit. And then you put your booze in at the end when this is cold, and the booze is soaked back into the fruit. And then you have a fantastic luxury sweet mincemeat. If you don't want to add booze, there's your mincemeat. But come on, Father Christmas eating a mince pie, he wants to be a bit tipply when he gets back on his sleigh. Not that there'll be any alcohol in. It cooks off when you make the mince pies, but you know, it leaves a fantastic taste. Oh, it just smells so incredible in here. That's it. Flame off. All we got to do now is let that go completely cold. Just looking there, that looks absolutely fantastic. That is better than any store-bought. Okay, so not to get Santa too tipsy, 200 mils of brandy in there. Just leave it in there to go completely cold and let it soak up that brandy. Oh, amazing. And then what we'll do is then we'll bottle it up. Whew. Oh, the fume's coming out of here. Oh man, talk about a luxury sweet mincemeat. That is phenomenal. So we're just going to let that absorb in there. Soak it all up into that rich sweet mincemeat, and then we're going to jar it. Oh, wow. Whew, it's going to be a good Christmas. That is absolutely superb. That really is. The smell, oh, the smell is a real Christmas smell. All we got to do now is jar it up. Okay, so in the jars, come on, let's get it in. Now, if you've got a funnel with a big nozzle, it's a damn sight easier than this, obviously. But we just need to get that in there. Any which way you can get it in and pack it down. Try and fill up all those air holes in there. This is going to have to last for a couple of weeks, you know. The thing is, this lasts easily 6 months. But we want it in the next couple of weeks, so let's get it in. There you have it. Look at that. 3 high quality luxury sweet mincemeat, ready for mince pies or anything like that. All we got to do, in fact, you can eat this right away because we've already cooked it. There's not a problem. But we're going to leave it a couple of days or so, probably a week. It'll mature in there. All that fluid will soak up into those, into that fruit in there. Be perfect for mince pies. So if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.